everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys a digital illustration that I have been working on. I wanted to take you guys a little bit behind my process, and then I'll let you guys watch the rest of the time-lapse speed digital painting video. With this illustration, I wanted to do a theme pretty much based on like Mother Nature, or my depiction of Mother Nature. So some of the things I've been inspired by were different nature type color palettes from different scenes of nature, or like from flowers or bugs. I've been looking at a lot of color palettes, and I've really got into this song also. This is another inspiration that helped me create this piece, but it was a song called Django Jane by Janelle Monáe, and she mentioned in her song, in her lyrics, where it was talking about how the woman gives birth to the earth and to humanity. And I thought that's a really unique type of statement or type of lyric in her song. So I was partially inspired by that. And what I wanted to do for this piece of artwork, I wanted to do a woman's face, but inside of her hair is like a nature type of scene, and different symbolisms representing birth. And with my color palette, I wanted to do a primary color type of color palette, but then I added different splashes of color, like greens, a little bit of reds, a little bit of blues, yellow, a little bit of pink and orange, those type of colors. So first off, what I did was I sketched my illustration of what I want it to look like. Then I inked it and painted it with Affinity Designer. Now, Affinity Designer is a cheap alternative to Adobe Illustrator. So if Adobe Illustrator is too pricey for you, the best program I would say to go for is Affinity Designer. It is $50. It's a one-time payment, so you don't have to go ahead and just pay every month, because Adobe Illustrator is $20 or so per month. And so with another program that I did to sketch my illustration was Autodesk Sketchbook. So that's another program you can use to do sketches and do illustrations and drawings on there. So that is my whole process, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Anyway, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the bell for notifications, so when you click on the notifications, you'll be notified of when I post a brand new video. Also, follow me on my brand Instagram, Asiatic Bird with an underscore. That's Asiatic Bird with an underscore. You can also follow me on my personal Instagram called Asia the Bird. That's all spelled in one word, like how it is on my YouTube channel. So you guys can follow me on my other Instagram. And until next time, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay productive.